All right, Jim. All right. So this is the screen that we're going to end up on. I'm going to show you how to get here, but first I'm going to show you the product. So I think this is exactly what you need. You need to be able to go, this is reading quiz 2. You want to be able to go in, you want to be able to see all the answers, correct? If this is the product that you want, then keep watching. This is how I got there. All right, I went to course content, maybe. That's when I start singing the Jeopardy song. All right, so if you could go into any of these, wherever you need to go. Let's say we're trying to get into reading quiz 2. I see it under this module. All right, now it's under assignments, so I'm going to click into assignments. The goal here is to get to the actual source. Okay, reading quiz 2. I'm going to drop this down. When you did the special thing for one of your students, I think it was you, that needed to add extra time, that you went in to edit the test options. I'm not sure if that was you or not, Jim. But what you're going to do here is edit the test. I would strongly suggest that you are careful with what you do here. I wouldn't change anything, but you could always go in and say, hey, there's a little bit of there's a tough question, so I added 2 points or whatever to everybody's grade, or whatever you want to say. All right. So I think this is what you need to know. I'd be very careful. All right. Let me know if you have more questions.